Ako ba yung gago for breaking up with my boyfriend just because hindi kami align ng pag-iisip?
Okay.
I guess it's partly my fault for entering a relationship without fully knowing my partner. 7 months kami ng jowa ko, 27 male, and sa loob ng 7 months na yon, na-realize kong di kami compatible. Tambay siya for almost 3 years, I think, and nung naging kami, he took the initiative naman to find work. Nung bago-bago pa lang kami, I felt like he doesn't really trust me. One time, nakipaglaro ako sa guy friend ko, tapos tumambay kami sa Discord server. Nakita niya and he kept asking me questions kung sino kasama ko. So, of course, I explained he was a longtime friend and he's got a girlfriend as well. I thought he would understand kasi I met my friend before him. And even before we started dating, I gave him a heads up na most of my friends are guys. Purely platonic and yung circle namin may mga girls din naman. While I was explaining, he suddenly asked me, may past ba kayo niyan? Like, kung may past man kaming, of course, I would respect boundaries and not play or interact with guys I had passed with. This was one of the icks I got pero pinalampas ko. Second instance was when I asked him kung sino binoto niya. May kasamang botohan pa.
Ito
And
saan?
election. Yeah. And he said he voted for BBM and Sara.
Oh,
So
yeah.
of course,
Very recent.
I know, right? So I asked why. Sagot niya, maganda daw kasi legacy ng tatay ni BBM. So why not give him a chance? Plus, Lenny doesn't look like a strong leader daw. I told him my opinion pero it was pointless. Tapos naman na daw kasi yung eleksyon. Minsan, whenever we're outside, he's being too touchy and it's making me uncomfortable. One time, namili kami sa SM North and nakapila kami sa cashier. Bigla ba naman ako hihipuan sa chest? Tinapik ko yung kamay niya, sabi ko, ano
What?
ba? Alam mong nasa labas tayo, hiya ka naman. Sinagot niya lang ako, pabiro na, oh bakit? Akin yan.
Seriously? Akin
Yeah,
yan. Daming red
mukhang
flag,
angkin pa.
God.
I know, right? And we're not done. I also told him that I am planning not to have kids kasi putya, ang gulo-gulo na nga ng mundo, basura mga nakaluklok sa gobyerno, ang mahal ng mga bilihin, sobrang polluted ng paligid, and sa aso ko pa lang nga, hirap na ako mag-alaga. What more kung tao pa? Sinagot niya sa akin, edi ano na lang gagawin natin? Oh my God. Tang
Oh
inang
my
sagot
God.
yan. Pinilit ko naman magstay and look at his good sides pero di ko na talaga kinaya. Ha 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 ha. Pati hindi ko pagbati ng monstery pinag-awayan namin. Like, isn't that so high school? Aminin kong
Mhm.
hindi rin ako perfect. I failed to address the issues I saw in him. Di rin ako palabigay ng assurance though my conscience is clear kahit mapaghinala siya minsan. So, I broke up with him and told him it's better we fix ourselves muna bago pumasok sa relationship. Ako ba yung gago for breaking up with him just because di kami align ng pag-iisip? I
Definitely.
mean,
Obviously, no.
yeah. I mean,
Ang
di
daming red
ba?
flag ni Kuya.
Sobrang dami.
I think he's so immature kind of person. I don't think he's ready to be on a serious relationship.
Yeah, I don't think so too.
Sorry, did
I
they say
mean,
what the age was?
let's go back. Well, I mean, yeah, he's 27.
The girl is.
She didn't mention her age, just the guy's age, but
27 is still kind of, I know, immature. For
yeah, it is. I mean,
I mean,
uh,
there are men na matures early, pero majority kasi of men does not mature right away. And
yeah,
the main reflex si Kuya. Hawakan ka in your
I
private
know,
part
right?
in public. Didn't have a job for
Yeah.
3 years.
Mm-hmm.
What
Mm-hmm.
was it? Huh?
Like, another instance yung sabi no, ni ate girl na parang ayaw niya daw mag-anak, right?
Oh,
Tapos ang sagot niya, ano na lang gagawin natin? What the fuck?
yeah. Who said that word? The girl or the boy?
The guy.
The,
Cause, yeah, cause si ate sabi niya ayaw niyang she's not planning on having a child. So, sabi ni kuya ganun.
because the girl is not planning to have a child, which is mature for her because it's hard to have a child now.
Yeah. So,
For the guy to
you know,
actually use that word,
mhm.
very no, ate. You're not maganda on this.
Uh, so let's see the
I can
top
understand you're
comment
not
here.
perfect to the stories that you said, but there's
Mm,
much more gravity in the one of the other person rather than you.
yes. Sobra. I mean, it's actually clear dun sa story na hindi siya yung gago, but, the guy. But, I mean, as much as we can give like a benefit of the doubt dun sa guy kung naman, di ba? Or si ate girl, baka may iba rin siyang ginawa. Pero
No
it's
benefit of the
hard not
doubt
to.
on
I
this
mean,
one.
yeah. I mean, it's hard. I mean, it's hard not to. Actually, it's not benefit of the doubt. But, just looking at both sides. Kasi si ate, hindi naman niya sinabi kung ano yung issues niya. But still, I mean, it's clear na gago si kuya.
Yeah.
Honest.
I'm sorry, ate. Was there any comments?
Mahirap pa lang ng
Exactly. Maybe it's not meant to be.
I don't
If
think
you're not
so.
in the same wavelength, it's difficult to manage that in the long run.
Yeah, that's true. Another one says, di ka gago for breaking up with him hanggat maaga pa. You did yourself good. Nakaiwas ka sa taong hindi mo kaparehas ng mindset. You deserve someone who has the same mindset, who understand you, and will prioritize your well-being. I know sasabihin ng iba na much better kung di mo na lang sinagot or what, pero in reality, kapag nagustuhan mo ang isang tao, kahit may mga namamarkahan siya sa checklist mo na red flags, most of the time ay nabaliwala na lang natin and
Just
tayo
ignore
pa ang
it.
nag-a-adjust for them. And it's actually common. That's why I am proud of you for choosing yourself. That's actually a nice comment. And oh, by
You
the
know
way,
what
this post
reminds
is
me of this person?
what?
It reminds me of you. You know, there are red flags in your previous relationships, but you still
Oh my
keep
god.
on going.
I know, right? I mean, I've been doing that. But yeah, it is really common. Because, I mean, obviously, say, kung mahal natin yung isang tao, then most of the time na kaklowd yung judgment natin in seeing yung mga red flags. Kasi nagiging
Uh-huh.
mas mapagparaya tayo sa mga ganong bagay.
I think when we're younger, we tend to ignore the red flags.
Younger,
A lot of
a
the
lot more.
times, because when I was younger, I tend to do that as well. But when I grew older, that's when I realized na no, if you're a red flag, no. So the filtering, you get to learn that in the long run. Siguro,
That's true.
let's just charge it to experience right now. That
Mm-hmm.
you know what not to have next time.
Yep. Well, at least 7 months pa lang, di pa siya years
Oh yeah.
to the
Nako.
relationship.
Buti na lang it's not years
Yeah.
yet. Baka ang aga mong tumanda dyan sa jowa mo na yan.
Oh my God. Anyways, moving along. Let's see the
Alright.
next one.